The staff in this lab are preparing machines. They hope they never have to use the UK Health Security Agency facility in Port. And Down is gearing up to test thousands of cases of mpox virus every day. They are routinely testing for a previous strain of mpox that's been circulating since 2022, but a dangerous new outbreak in Central Africa of an mpox strain called CLA1B means they need to be prepared. So upstairs as we speak, they be doing as performance MX. We are getting 20 to 30 samples a day and elsewhere in the country. But then if we did see an outbreak here when the demand for testing went up, we switched to these larger platforms which have the ability to thousands of samples a day both here and elsewhere. So it's the ability to quickly escalate testing into a suitable scale is this key. The government has just purchased an additional 150,000 doses of Inox vaccine in preparation for the expected arrival of CAD1B. In addition, health authorities are preparing for three possible scenarios if mpox makes its way here. The first scenario assumes the new strain is less infections, leading to small isolated clusters of cases. In scenario B, virus spreads like it did in the 2022 outbreak, affecting high contact groups like gay and bisexual men. However, targeted vaccination and testing prevents virus spread. The third most serious scenario envisions a much more infectious virus spreading through the touch of possibly the air. Outbreaks in schools, care homes, hospitals and prisons could result widespread vaccination. Prioritizing the most vulnerable would be required at the moment. Authorities believe the first two scenarios are most likely, but they can't yet rule out the third, which one it depends on learning more about the virus. When a sample of the new outbreak strain of mpox comes here to Port and Down, it goes straight into this level 3 containment lab because it's still a live virus. But one of the first jobs of this facility would be to grow more of it so that other scientists working here can have the samples they need to answer urgent questions like how much more dangerous this virus is and how well our existing vaccines are going to protect against it. In the absence of a UK case, scientists here are waiting for a sample of the virus this week from international collaborators. However, they might not have to wait long for a UK case of the new mpox virus to arrive at all. Thank you.